What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to record your screen whether it is Windows 10 or 11. So let's get right into the video. There are some tools or applications with which you can record your screen on your laptop or PC, whatever you are using. So let me introduce to those applications. So head over to your Chrome browser and all you have to do is search OBS Studio. Here you can download OBS Studio and it will allow you to record your screen and edit the further mode. And there are other like I'm using the one is Camtasia. This is the one I'm using. You can download it from here. It is a powerful video creator for Windows PCs and it can also screen record your PC or laptop, and it allows you to edit it also. You can see in my taskbar there is the Camtasia editor, and here is the Camtasia recorder. And yeah, and there's another one with a snipping tool, and that is a free snipping tool. You can download it from here. It allows you to download, it allows you to take snips or screenshots of your laptop or PC. And there is plus in this application, that is it can also record your screen via this red dot. It means if you click on this, snipping tool will start recording your PC or laptop screen. And that's it. There are some few other screen record applications. You just have to search for it, and hopefully my one will help you out, and your problem will be solved. And that's it. We'll see you in the next video.